Experts warn that if a child isn't reading fluently by the end of 3rd grade, they may face challenges later on.
And for many kids, reading feels frustrating and confusing before it finally clicks. But if you're looking for a simple, step-by-step way to help your child become a confident reader, there is a proven path. It's called the Learn to Read tutorial. It's a 10-step online phonics-based program that makes reading progress easier than ever. It walks your child from mastering letter sounds all the way to reading fluently, and it builds skills gradually, one layer at a time, one small win at a time. You also get a full scope and sequence, so you'll always know exactly what your child is learning. In our in-person tutoring, we only needed about 15 minutes of reading per session for kids to make incredible progress. Now your child can bring those private reading sessions home and learn anytime they want. If your child already knows their alphabet sounds, simply go to regaliatutorials.com and sign up today. So, let's get started.